Hi, I'm Scott Becker, Executive Director of the Pennsylvania Trolley Museum. I'm really happy to take some time today to share with you the great achievements that our museum has accomplished in 2022. We've brought back a number of programs. We've actually added new educational programs and new events, and our number of visitors has actually exceeded many of the pre-pandemic years at the museum. So we're really quite pleased with that. It's a tip of my hat to all the staff and volunteers that made that possible. Tremendous achievement at the East Campus as well. So that's where we're growing the museum. Our 21,000 square foot Welcome Education Center is really coming together. August 15th we celebrated the last beam going up, and since that time the roof is completed, the concrete floor and the plumbing under the floor is completed, and now the walls are going in. Out on Trolley Street, soon to be called Volunteer Boulevard, the street brick has been installed, as well as the concrete sidewalks. The Christopher Goloski Memorial Gazebo is complete, and the side entrance into the trolley display building with its decorative awning, that's also in. So tremendous progress over there. On the West Campus, a lot of work done in our car shop. Pittsburgh Railway's PCC 1138 is almost ready for operational trials. Our restoration projects are moving forward. So we're really excited about next year, the future, where we move into the East Campus. Now that's going to be called our transitional period, so we really need your support to help make the transition from the West Campus to the East Campus. So think about making a gift, a year-end gift to us if you can. That would be most appreciated. I do want to wish you and your family a very happy holiday season and a wonderful new year. Thank you.